grounding and cultivating mindful resilience. Find a position that is comfortable for you. Either sitting upright with your feet flat on the floor and your spine straight, or lying down. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze downwards. Let's begin by taking 3 conscious, full, cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, filling your lungs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, letting go of any tension. 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale fully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, releasing any immediate distractions. 2, 3, 4. One last time, a deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a slow, complete exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your full attention to the feeling of your body. Notice the places where you are supported, where your body connects with the chair or the floor. Feel the anchor of gravity holding you steady. Notice the rhythm of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. You don't need to change it. Simply notice it. The breath is always present, always changing, and always has a return to the here and to the now. We are here to cultivate resilience, that inner capacity to adapt, recover, and grow stronger in the face of challenge. Resilience is not about avoiding difficulty. It is the flexibility of a strong tree that can bend without breaking. Now, gently bring to mind a recent small challenge, setback, or difficulty. Something you have already moved through. Or a current situation that feels manageable. As you think of this moment, notice the physical sensations it creates in your body. Perhaps a tightness in your chest, a knot in your stomach, or tension in your jaw. Now, Bring focus to your breath. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Breathing out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep into the earth. Feel the stability and the unshakable ground beneath you. Visualize your resilience as a warm, golden light originating from the stable core. With every inhale, this golden light expands, filling your body with a sense of calm, strength, and inner resourcefulness. Inhale strength. Exhale the need to control. Inhale calm. Exhale the anxiety. Know that this strong, calm, and grounded feeling is always accessible to you. It is your mindful resilience. When life presents its storms, your mindful practice allows you to notice the wind and the rain without becoming the storm itself. You can bend and bounce back. Take a final deep breath, sealing in this feeling of grounded strength. Start to notice the sounds around you, the texture of the air on your skin, and the support beneath you. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes, bringing your awareness back into the room, carrying this sense of grounded, mindful resilience with you into the rest of your day.